Want to use two apps at the same time on your Samsung A27 without downloading anything? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable split screen using Samsung built-in feature, making multitasking faster, easier and more convenient in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the first app if you want to use. For example, I have used Discord, so tap to open it. After the Discord app is open, simply if you are using the navigation gesture mode, swipe the navigation bar at the bottom to open the recent section. Here you can see all of the app listed there. Now find the exact app if you want to activate the split screen mode. Simply tap on their app icon at the top. After the pop-up menu, here you can see various options. Look for the open in split screen view option. Simply tap on it and automatically enable the split screen view on your Samsung A27 phone. The first app is the very top. If you use another app at the bottom, don't panic. Simply scroll down to the recent app section. Here open the app. For example, I am open Chat AI, so open it. And then you can easily use two apps at the same time on your phone. However, if you decide to customize the app, don't worry. Simply look for the three dots more button in the middle of the screen. Simply tap on hold it, then swipe it up or bottom and automatically customize the split screen view. However, if you decide to change the screen, this means move it, don't panic, this is available. Simply tap on the three dots more button. After that, tap on the down or top arrow and automatically switch your display. And that's it, how you can easily enable split screen and use them. To close the split screen view, don't panic, this is available. To do that, simply swipe the navigation bar at the bottom to open the recent section. Here you can tap on the close all button and automatically close the split screen view on Samsung A27. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you multitasking better for your Samsung A27, please like, subscribe and turn on notification for more easy Android tips and helpful tech guides.